The story of a quiet forest. The night is coming, and the moonlight gently illuminates the forest. The cool air you feel on your skin is calm and calm. The trees shake quietly, and the whispers of the leaves reach your ears. It's as if the forest itself is talking quietly. As you go through the deep green, soft moss wraps around your feet and gives you a comfortable feeling like a carpet. Small flowers appear between the moss, and the pale scent tickles the nose. As you go deep into the forest, the sound of wings and whispers gradually calm down, as if time is flowing slowly. At the end of the path, there is a quiet stream. The surface of the water reflects the moonlight and shines brightly. The sound of water seems to penetrate deep into the heart, and the noise of the heart gradually disappears. When you sit by the stream and close your eyes, the gentle flow of water gently arranges the waves in your heart. If you listen carefully, you can hear the voice of an owl in the distance. The voice that echoes "ho ho" is like a spell that invites you to sleep. The forest wrapped in a dim night turns into a mysterious space and leads you into a dream world. When you are wrapped in the silence around you, your mind will be opened naturally, and your daily fatigue and stress will disappear. Let go of all your thoughts and just focus on feeling this moment. I will relax while imagining the silhouette of the trees illuminated by the moonlight swaying gently. The warm wind strokes my cheeks and gives me a sense of security like my mother's hand. In this calm forest, you will feel completely relaxed and your mind and body becoming one. Now, please take a slow and deep breath. I inhale the fresh forest air and exhale the tension accumulated in my heart. As you continue the rhythm repeatedly, you will have a comfortable slow. In this quiet forest, you are free and safe. All worries and anxiety will slip through the trees and disappear. For now, just surrender yourself to peace and tranquility and get ready to live in your dreams. As the night deepens and your heart calms down, your eyelids gradually become heavier. Sleep will gently envelop you and take you away to the dream world. Please feel at ease, slowly close your eyes, and surrender to a peaceful sleep.